To connect your Oral-B IO Series 3 to your phone, start by downloading the official Oral-B app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone supports Bluetooth and that the toothbrush has at least 50% battery before pairing. Open the app, sign in or create an account, and allow Bluetooth and location permissions. On your toothbrush, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the blue light begins flashing. In the app, tap Add New Toothbrush and select IO Series 3. The app will automatically search for the device, which usually takes 10 to 30 seconds. Once connected, the LED ring turns solid blue and the app confirms the pairing. If pairing fails, hold the power button for 10 seconds to reset the brush and try again. For random disconnections, restart your phone and clear the Bluetooth cache. Keep your phone within 6 feet during setup and ensure the brush stays above 20% battery for stable syncing. Disabling Wi-Fi during initial pairing can also reduce signal interference. Following these steps ensures fast, reliable syncing and accurate brushing data tracking.